This is the multiplication board. First, we're going to put the 4 in the slot, and we're going to find 1 times 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 times 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 times 4. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 times 4. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 5 times 4. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 6 times 4. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 7 times 4. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 8 times 4. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. 9 times 4. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. 10 times 4. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. And now we can check.